MNC Automation and Services offers diverse services, from engineering drawings to PLC programming, serving industries like pharmaceuticals, food and beverages, instrumentation, and automation. Our services include power distribution panels, MCC panels, VFD panels, PCC panels, and automatic power control panels. Curious about the process? It's a breeze in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, submit your requirements. Step 2, approve your design. Step 3, receive your product. It's that simple. Our success is driven by a culture of teamwork, where diverse and skilled teams collaborate seamlessly to achieve extraordinary results, encouraging employees to contribute to the company's growth through creative thinking. Join us at MNC Automation AMP Services, where innovation meets reliability. Let's shape the future of automation together. Visit our website or contact us to embark on your automation journey today.